First, the coil is loaded onto the decoiler and then wound smoothly. Then, the strip enters the leveling machine to remove coil curvature and improve flatness. Next, the machine cuts the sheet to the preset length with high accuracy. The runout table in the leveling and cutting to length line ensures smooth transfer of sheets after cutting, maintaining stability, proper alignment, and protecting the material surface. With synchronized operation, the runout table supports efficient stacking, helping to improve productivity and the overall quality of finished products. Finally, the auto stacker collects and stacks the finished sheets automatically.